Et coucou YouTube. Coucou YouTube, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour la cinquième et sûrement la dernière partie de la quête de Durin. À voir. En tout cas, ouais, j'ai hâte. J'ai hâte. Hip. Et je pense qu'on va commencer dès maintenant. La solution du destin, en plus, ça s'appelle. Donc je pense qu'on va peut-être voir Raid d'auteur. Hein. Bon,
So
j'ai...
this is the other Durin, huh?
Attendez, je vais voir. Je vais prendre l'autre bonbon. Toujours en train de manger, la base.
If this had been the dragon that ended up being revived in Mondstadt, there's no telling what kind of calamity that people would have had to endure. So, if you think about it like that, Durin's actually a hero.
Il va être une bonne personne pour l'histoire, c'est ça?
No, I'm just a little envious, that's all.
Oh.
Not everyone.
Actually, most of the credit belongs to Albedo.
Albedo le
Then
goat, quoi.
again, barely anyone even remembers you at this point. So I guess there's not much left to envy.
Non, on se rappelle de toi parce que t'as sauvé tout un peuple à notre craï en réussissant à combattre Raid d'auteur. Enfin, pas Raid d'auteur. Ah, Ririr.
Ah, so you three still remember Durin. Looks like the memory loss hasn't spread to close friends.
Oh.
Yet.
Quelque chose qui s'est déjà produit en fin de compte.
I guess that means my memory of you must still be complete as well.
Albedo.
Oh.
You're finally here! Oh, boy, do we have a whole pile of questions for you!
Oh, you're here too.
I think I've pieced together some of what happened to him. But what's your take on things?
Master Jean filled me in on what happened, and I've got a few theories. But let's get on the same page first.
Same page. C'est marrant, on veut dire la même page au diapason. Échanger l'information avec Albedo, ce dernier vérifie également, je sais pas quoi, Durin.
Well, physically, he's doing fine. His body is holding the abyssal power at bay. And there's nothing whatsoever to indicate any risk of collapse.
So, from an alchemy point of view, there's nothing wrong with him?
The issue isn't so much that the abyssal power within him has gotten out of control. It's that the connection between his will and body is fading.
Ok.
If he ends up losing his conscious will, his body will fall back on its biological instincts. And that's when the abyssal power within it will take over.
Ouais, du coup, ça peut créer un cataclysme. C'est marrant parce que cette situation, c'est un peu comme celle d'Arlecchino. Hein. Parce qu'on a appris qu'à notre craie que, étant donné qu'elle est un peu maudite ou un truc du genre par l'abîme, quand elle puise dans son pouvoir de lune écarlate, elle puise également dans l'abîme. Et donc du coup, en fait, petit à petit, tout son corps commence à est rongé par l'abîme et jusqu'à un moment, ça atteindra le cœur et du coup, elle sera possédée. Donc est-ce qu'on aura ce genre de choses? Peut-être une théorie à avoir pour notre craie, ça. Hein. Faudra s'en rappeler.
This book mentioned a witches' gathering. It seems like quite a few of these witches got themselves involved in Durin's case. Which brings me to my theory.
Donc du coup, il restera une d'auteur là. Hein.
Bringing Fairy Tale Durin into this world to replace the Durin on Dragonspine means using one Durin's fate to overwrite the others. But the power of alchemy alone would not be enough to pull off such a feat. It would have required the combined use of Miss Barbeloff's astrology, my teacher's alchemy, and Aunt Alice's magic.
L'alchimie de mon professeur.
After learning of Miss Barbeloff's prophecy, Durin and I finally came up with a way to settle the Dragonspine Durin problem for good. And I took care of the alchemy side of things, which, looking back on it, seems to have been a part of their plan all along. So now, there's only one thing missing.
La magie. C'est vrai que Sur le côté du destin, ils s'en savent beaucoup de choses. Mais Barbola, j'ai l'impression que vraiment qu'elle sait prédire le destin. Un peu comme Verdofnir. Alors je me demande comment on va réussir à combattre Veldofnir étant donné qu'il peut prédire le futur.
As for the fate theory our friend in the hat just mentioned, I still can't figure out how any kind of magic could possibly influence the fate of Tevat. But I'm certain that the answer lies within this book.
So, the reason Alice had us complete this book
Hmm.
was to make that magic possible?
A form of magic powerful enough to rewrite fate itself.
Une forme de magie suffisamment puissante pour écrire le destin. Ah du coup si c'est une forme de magie suffisamment puissante pour écrire le destin. C'est vrai que inconsciemment ça met en lien aussi avec Dotori. Hein. Parce que maintenant il a également une forme de magie suffisamment puissante. Vu qu'il a 2 lunes. Peut-être 3. Il a... Certes il a pas Colombina mais j'ai l'impression qu'il a une 3e force cachée. Genre celle de la raison. Et du coup, il est... Ouais. Ah bah c'est la quête de Durin. C'est la quête de Durin. Restons sur la quête de Durin. Voilà, demain, le 1er janvier, nous ferons le live théorie de ces morts.
Well, we've no time to lose. I just need to take a look at the book. The next part of the story most likely relates to me. So the memory that unlocks it must be connected to me too.
C'était mon raid d'auteur. Ah.
The giant tree was home to a broken branch, the shape of its splintered arm aligning perfectly with the branch that had burst forth from the castle walls. Join yourself to that broken bough, for there you may take root at last, and henceforth bask in the sun and rain of the world beyond the castle.
Non, cette petite POV en montrant Célestia de loin. Est-ce que c'est une petite référence? Profiter du soleil et de la pluie au-delà du château, pas dire au-delà du faux ciel.
But first, fetch the stickiest clay and let it bind the scar of the break.
I see.
Guided by the breeze, the little dragon arrived at an alchemist's workshop. There he was greeted by a clay figure, a child molded by the
sorcière
sage.
Reine de terre.
Gentle in appearance, he had inherited his mother's cold, sharp wisdom. And he was determined to avert the calamity the evil dragon would bring. And so was his helper, none other than the little dragon himself.
Ok. Trop kawaii la petite Dodoko là. Oh la vache. C'est grand hein.
What is this place?
C'est le laboratoire de Albedo? Ou de Reine d'auteur?
It looks like it's modeled after an alchemist's workshop. Or rather, a cliched stereotype of one.
Albedo?
Ah c'est un chat lui aussi?
Hold on.
Oh!
Why
tout
do I look
petit.
like this?
Oh, yeah! We forgot to tell you. Basically, the characters in the story
Ah!
are reflections of how Durin sees them.
Oh putain. Bichette, lui qui était tout beau.
At least you're still human
Ah.
shaped.
Incroyable. Il y a un petit air de Varka quand même hein.
Well, since Cat Guy has taken on a different appearance too, That must mean the two of us are both characters in the story. But you, Paimon, and Durin haven't changed at all. You...
I'd like to know more about that too. But seeing as none of them can explain it, let's just concentrate on moving the plot forward.
Jetons un œil aux alentours. Oh! C'est un passage secret?
And just like that,
Oh là!
the group stumbled
Aucune
upon
couleur.
a hidden passageway. Intricately crafted, it seemed to lead them towards another exciting chapter of the tale.
Come on, what are we waiting for? Next chapter, here we come! Ouch!
But this was a chapter that had not yet been written. Ahead of them was a storyless void, and they could go no further.
C'était pas bon. C'est pas bon les bonbons.
What? Now what's the point of having a path here?
Peut-être que l'auteur a une étincelle d'inspiration, et puis elle aurait été frappée par le syndrome de la page blanche. Ah! C'est vrai.
Sounds like a pretty bad habit for a writer.
C'est une mauvaise habitude pour quelqu'un qui a écrit des histoires. Non, c'est pas que c'est une mauvaise habitude, c'est que pour avoir de l'inspiration, elle n'est souvent jamais infinie. Hein. Oh!
Over here. I found something.
Bah c'est le cœur de Durin, ça.
What the clay figure found was none other than the evil dragon's heart itself. Though the creature had perished long ago, its heart was still there, pulsing away and growing warmer with every beat.
Pourquoi il y aurait son cœur?
And the clay alchemist knew what it meant. That the evil dragon
Ah,
would
merde.
return one day, just as the prophecy had foretold.
Ouais, donc en fait, c'est une question de temps, quoi, avant que la prophétie ne se réalise, le cataclysme.
Yet, guided by his mother's wisdom, he foresaw another fate. If only the alchemist could bestow this heart upon the little dragon, he might be reborn in the evil dragon's stead.
Hein? Si seulement l'alchimiste pouvait offrir ce cœur au petit dragon, celui-ci pourrait renaître à la place du dragon maléfique. En gros, on va refaire le truc qu'on a fait dans la fête de l'Élysée. Et que du coup, je pense que le cadeau de Reine de Temps permettra de recréer un.
Only then would the evil dragon's heart grow still, and the little one inherit its tale.
Sounds like this chapter is about Albedo bringing me to life.
Ah ouais, ok, c'est juste un paralogisme, hein, comme la quête.
If that really was the solution, though, this would have been over the minute I finished the transmutation.
So there has to be some other reason.
Nous avons encore d'autres endroits à vérifier, il n'y a pas d'urgence.
Yeah, I'd like to explore the area a bit more.
J'aime bien la couleur qu'ils ont fait à Durin. Je la trouve très cool. Oula, fusionner. Oula, putain, il y en a
Unless
des
the
choses.
little dragon kept moving, eventually he would be forgotten.
Merde, j'ai pas lu ce qu'elle a dit. Oh putain, on a un choix à faire. Fusionner avec le cœur du dragon maléfique ou détruire le cœur du dragon maléfique. Ah! Bah, comment dire? La raison veut que on fusionne avec le cœur du dragon. Comme ça, voilà, deux cœurs maintenant ne font qu'un. Du coup, il n'y a plus de problème. Mais si tu détruis le cœur, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Parce que vraiment, la narratrice te dit que c'est un data... Merde.
Do you think we could just destroy it?
Bon bah écoute. Pourquoi voudrais-tu faire ça?
Be it the calamity headed for Mondstadt or my inability to leave behind a story of my own, doesn't it all come down to the fact that this heart never truly died?
Vous savez qu'en soi, s'il n'y a plus de cœur, il peut toujours rester en vie. Hein.
What if, here in this story, we could finally destroy it?
Après, il veut créer sa propre histoire du ruine. Quel homme.
Could Aunt Alice's magic really allow us to do what's theoretically meant to be impossible?
La magie de Tantalis pourrait-elle vraiment nous permettre de réaliser ce qui est théoriquement impossible? Mais sauf qu'ils aiment bien les sorcières de réussir quelque chose qu'on pensait impossible.
Either way, it's an intriguing idea. I'm
Oh,
not opposed to giving it a shot.
ah, je pense que ça va pas créer de conséquences.
just-
Hein. Ah,
I'm still afraid someday, even you guys will end up forgetting me. If there's even the slightest chance it'll prevent that, I'm willing to try anything. But I'm not sure if I can destroy it on my own. Chances are, I'm gonna need your help again. So please, everyone, help me destroy this heart, once and for all.
d'accord. Donc on a préféré du coup choisir l'option de destruction. Alors que la narratrice disait pas spécialement ça. Ah ok, on peut rechoisir. Non vas-y, je vais tester. Juste pour voir ce que ça fait. Ok. La prophétie se... Oh merde!
With the help of his friends, the little dragon destroyed the evil dragon's
Une dernière
heart,
once de sa
using up
force.
every last ounce of his strength.
Ah, c'est incarné en dragon maléfique, c'est ça, il a tout démoli.
In his eyes, this would ensure that his story and his alone remained in the world.
Ah, parce que là, c'est
beyond the
l'abysse, là.
castle's walls.
Oh, le cube.
But the evil dragon's heart was like a great tree with roots digging deep beneath the surface. Cutting off the branches did not kill it. No, it just made it impossible for a new branch to take their place.
Ouais, donc on est obligé de fusionner. Mais c'est marrant, du coup, cette option qui te
The
donne.
gnarled roots retreated back into the frozen earth, biding their time for a chance to bud again. Cut off from their source, the rootless branches above the surface slowly withered away. The little dragon story faded
Ah, merde.
into nothingness. And in the world beyond the castle, only the evil
C'est le mauvais
dragon's
choix.
tale endured.
Baisse un petit peu. C'est le mauvais choix, Sage. Ah merde. Qui suis-je?
Is this me?
Oh! Ah oui, on est devenu le dragon maléfique de Siblanca en fait.
And so the story
Oh,
ended,
incroyable.
with the little dragon fading from sight.
C'est la fin de
leaving
l'histoire.
Nothing but the evil dragon's shadow in his place.
Oh no! That means Durin! What do we do now?
Ah! Oh! Alice qui nous sauve.
Hello, children. If you're hearing this recording, it's
Ah,
because
une fin.
we've reached a certain ending.
Alice?
You may have noticed that little Durin's experiences have been written into the pages of this book. Well, you should know that in the same way, its ending will also be written onto him. So be careful, because triggering a bad ending could be somewhat problematic.
Je ne comprends pas, c'est juste qu'il nous prévient après coup.
Let me guess. You're upset that I didn't warn you earlier? Don't worry though. I've thought it all through. I built a very special feature into this book. Just for you, the witnesses of this
Ah
tale.
ouais.
So,
Tu peux revenir dans le temps.
see if you can turn back the pages. If you're you're not happy with the ending you've reached, just flip back a few pages and let the tale unfold once more.
Quel retournement de situation.
Pretty incredible, huh? That's the power of magic.
Tourner la page. Et du coup, on reviendrait sur là où on était avant. Décider de la prochaine étape. Ouais, bah du coup, oui.
Unless the little dragon kept moving, eventually he would be forgotten.
Du coup, go faire ça, hein.
The evil dragon's heart continued
Ah.
to beat, as if waiting for the little dragon to accept.
Looks like we have no choice but to get this done. Whatever happens next, Durin is going to need all of our help. Is everyone ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Nous sommes prêts. Durin et moi allons d'abord vérifier. Non, nous sommes prêts.
What the clay figure
Ah.
found was none other than the evil dragon's heart itself. Though the creature had perished long ago, its heart was still there, pulsing away and growing warmer with every beat. And the clay alchemist knew what it meant. That the evil dragon would return one day, just as the prophecy had foretold.
T'as encore des prophéties, on a la fontaine
Yet,
en fait.
guided by his mother's wisdom, he foresaw another fate. If only the alchemist could bestow this heart upon the little dragon, he might be reborn in the evil dragon's stead. Only then would the evil dragon's heart grow still, and the little one inherit its tale. At last, the little dragon accepted the evil dragon's heart.
Ah, du coup, s'il a fusionné, il aura un nouveau skin au milieu de son cœur, genre, ce sera nouveau.
The evil dragon's heart beat in his chest, and the little dragon's soul guided him forward. Thus did the prophecy hold true, even as fate had been rewritten. And so was the little dragon born anew.
Quel dragon maléfique battait dans sa poitrine, son âme du petit dragon lui guidait vers l'avant. Ainsi la prophétie s'accomplit, le destin avait été réécrit, le petit dragon renaquit. Il est tout mignon, ouais.
Finally!
Oh!
Happy ending! That must be the last step, right? Woohoo! We completed the story!
Alors, vraiment bien designé, Paimon, hein, ça fait plaisir. Hein. Y a pas à dire, finalement c'est vraiment le personnage principal, hein, Paimon. Mais pourquoi sommes-nous toujours ici? D'après, il y a toujours la page blanche là. Hein.
Born anew, the little dragon set off once more, his story far from
Bah
over.
donc.
Huh? So, that wasn't the end?
This is the end.
What comes next might be the most crucial part of all. The real last step.
If fate really is as devious as they say, then I say, show us what you've got.
Si le dessin est vraiment aussi surnois qu'on le dit alors qu'il nous montre ce qu'il a dans le ventre.
Wow!
Ah ouais,
You're all so serious all of a sudden.
ça va se battre hein. Oula, oh il t'arrive quoi bébou? Ah bah oui, du coup il est fusionné avec le véritable cœur du dragon maléfique. Ça va être un temps d'adaptation hein.
Durin, are you alright?
The evil dragon's heart was now one with the little dragon,
Ouais.
yet the dark power within it still lingered.
Still lingered.
Would the little dragon dare to hold this power back, or would he simply give in?
Oh non, c'est un choix à faire ça?
Hey! What
Ok.
kind of question is that? Of course he's
Mm.
gonna control it. What choice does he have?
Time is running out.
Oh!
So, will the little dragon dare to hold this power back? Or will he simply
Ok.
What's up with the narrator?
Je pense que c'est à ce moment-là où il y a la page blanche, elle a fini de parler, je pense. Ah merde! Réprimer les forces, céder. Mais j'ai pas moi, j'ai pas 4. Réprimer les forces des ténèbres. J'ai pas de moins
The
4.
little dragon and his companions. Blank. Blank again.
Hmm.
What's going on?
Bah oui, on a plus
Are we running
d'encre.
out of ink?
Ah pourtant on n'a pas choisi des fins si...
Once
Oh.
the ink runs out, is that the end of the story?
Ah merde!
I had a feeling this would happen.
What's happening to the
Ah merde! Oh.
Now that the story's ink was spent, all that lay ahead
Oh.
were blank pages.
C'est beau ça. Ah merde, on doit encore retourner en arrière. Attends, faut vraiment céder à la tentation de l'abysse.
Looks like you've discovered another possible ending. Do not lose hope. You just need to keep searching, for there are possibilities that only you can bring to life.
Cramalis, quel goût. Hâte de la retrouver en 6.3. Hein. En Luna 3. Retourner au château. Ah! Ah, on peut retourner au château. Retourner au château. Ça coûte 0.
Returning to the castle.
On dirait que quelque chose se rend hésitant.
I just never thought crossing over into a new world would create so much trouble. All I wanted was to make some friends.
Non.
I'm starting to think I kind of miss being in Simulanka.
You might look back on it with fondness, but if I were you, I wouldn't miss it.
Après, il a connu que ça hein, quand il était jeune en Turin.
Why?
Sometimes, moving on with your life comes at a cost. But that's better than going nowhere at all.
You don't have to worry, Durin. No matter what problem you face, there will always be a solution.
Okay. Sometimes I wish I could just go
Ah,
back
ok,
and
bah c'est
see
là.
it again.
L'histoire se finira par connaître son dénouement. Ok, tu
As
fais
the
retourner au
little
château.
dragon slipped back inside the castle's walls, the clamor of the outside world fell away.
C'est quoi ça? On pourra rider dessus?
There was no danger here, no problems for the little dragon to resolve.
Ok.
As soon as his mother finished her story, it was time for the child to drift off into the world of dreams. And
Excusez-moi.
so the story ended, with the little dragon fast asleep in his castle, just like he had never even hatched.
Le petit dragon dormait profondément dans son château comme si son œuf n'avait jamais éclos.
What's going on?
Oula, on est géant là.
I feel so weak.
What's
Ah non.
happening? Durin, wake up!
Nous sommes arrivés à un dénouement.
This can't be how it ends. Durin promised to bring back
Ah
everyone's
merde, on a encore fait une erreur.
There's no way he'd accept
Fait
an ending
chier.
like this.
Hello, Alice. Hello, my child.
Looks like you've discovered another possible ending. Do
Pourtant,
not
on est nul,
lose
hein.
hope. You just need to keep searching, for there are possibilities that only you can bring to life.
Et du coup, faut vraiment qu'il cède au pouvoir de l'abîme. Ça aurait été vraiment la dernière option. Hein. Bah ouais, bah du coup, je vais rester là. Hein. J'ai pas d'autres trucs.
Dare to hold this power map, or would he simply give in?
Est-ce que je pense que la page blanche, on peut pas y aller? Ouais.
Ahead of them was a
Bon.
storyless void, and they could go no further.
Bah, du coup, ouais, je vais rester, hein. Je vais céder.
Dare to hold this power back? Or would he simply give in?
Je trouve ça bizarre, céder quand même. Du coup, il va céder à la tentation de l'abysse. C'est pas le mieux, hein.
Would he
Oui, il se réalisera. Bah oui, j'ai déjà vu ça.
The little dragon was at an impasse, and the dark power within him surged like a tide. Unchecked, the darkness engulfed
L'âme du
everything
petit
around it.
dragon. Oh bah du coup là, c'est la pire fin. Bah oui, tu m'étonnes.
The little dragon's story faded into nothingness.
Bah je suis perdu.
And in the world beyond the castle, only the evil dragon's tale endured.
Indoor.
Is this me?
And so the story ended, with the little dragon fading from
C'est
sight.
la fin de l'histoire, non? C'est pas celle-là? On l'a déjà eu cette fin.
What do we do now?
Hello, my childs.
Looks like you've discovered another possible ending. Do not lose hope. You just need to keep searching, for there are possibilities that only you can bring to life.
Parce qu'on a fait la fin de retourner à la mer au château, on a fait la fin où il fallait 4 encres, mais on n'avait pas assez. On a fait la fin où il fallait céder. I don't know. Ah,
What's going on here? Why isn't the story
Ah.
letting Durin just suppress the abyssal power?
on a fait les 3, ok. Non, bichette. Non, maintenant il va crever. Il va lasser die quoi.
It seems the act of suppressing the power counts as an event in the
Ouais, bah
story.
oui.
In other words, we would need ink to write it in.
Bon, ouais, malheureusement on a qu'une seule truc dans. Mais pourtant j'en ai pas beaucoup utilisé. Hein. Peut-être que j'ai fait des gros choix mais qui n'étaient pas si intéressants que ça.
So, what now? Did we use too much earlier? How are we supposed to write a happy ending with only this much left?
C'est possible, ce n'est simplement pas encore le moment de la fin de l'histoire. Du coup il va encore continuer à souffrir d'urine.
Well, this is Durin's story. As long as he's alive and well, why should it end?
If there really is such a direct correlation between the story and his fate, Durin was, and still is in essence, a storybook character, written into
Maria,
being by
Maria.
M. From the moment he was born, he has always dwelt within her
Aw.
story,
Bichette.
and I suspect that has remained the case, even after his arrival in Tevat.
Ouais bah oui, donc après de toute façon là ce qu'elle veut faire c'est juste que Durin puisse prendre son envol lui-même, faire ses propres choix.
Reviving Durin in the evil dragon's place was an act of grafting this Durin story onto the latter's fate. In essence, that is how his fate was rewritten. But there is a fundamental difference between a being's story and its fate.
Fundamental.
As Miss Barbeloth reminded us, the fate of every living being in Tevat has been woven into the fabric of time. Its most natural path, therefore, is to proceed along its given track.
Donc tout à fait naturel de suivre la voie qui nous est tracée. Mais Istaros quoi, que fais-tu? Jack, Jack, t'as ta fille là qui va venir en trip marketing là.
But
Dis
Durin's
bye.
story, on the other hand,
Il lui faut un auteur pour continuer à l'écrire. Oui, parce que alors, en soi, elle est décédée, du coup.
as
C'est
Durin's
maman.
connection to this world wore thin, not only have people started to forget him, he started to lose control of the abyssal power within. In other words, his story can't continue. Because the author's ink is drying up. That's
Et on
what
peut
it
pas-
seems like to me.
Et on peut pas en créer nous-mêmes.
It would seem the little dragon had made a group of fine friends indeed.
Indeed.
Save it. The question is, are you here to help him
Ah,
or stand in his way?
pour l'aider, bien sûr.
Is as far
Oula.
as the story can go. What path will you choose?
Kekedi.
I
Si l'histoire s'arrête ici, Durin va disparaître.
suppose the
Ah.
final decision is up to me.
Tu vas enfin prendre une décision pour toi-même.
It's hard to believe I never actually left my mother's story. If that's true,
By there, I
Yeah,
take
pardon.
it you mean the blank pages of the unwritten chapter
Oh.
ahead.
But we still don't even know how Alice's magic works.
En plus, on est allé là-bas. On avait voulu tester si on pouvait y aller à la page blanche, si on n'avait pas pu. Donc c'était vraiment fait exprès.
If Durin belongs inside the story, then going outside of it to some unwritten part, isn't that too risky?
Touritski.
I'm not afraid.
Quelle goutte. I'm not afraid. On va
I
t'aider.
second that. It would seem this is one answer you need to go seize for yourself.
Ah oui, là c'est toi qui choisis si tu veux vivre ou mourir. Hein. Des bonbons ou un sort.
So be it. Whatever obstacles stand in your way, we'll tear them down together.
Quelle fierté ce chat quand même. Scaramiaou. Oh. Ça rappelle Clair-Obscur. Ah.
Anything that invisible wall. It was like the little dragon
Franchissez.
staring
Comment je fais pour franchir?
impossible edge of existence itself.
Franchir les hauts. Ah oui, ils avaient montré, il fallait en hauteur, c'est ça? Un truc comme ça. Parce qu'elle avait montré le bouquin rouge qu'on ne reprenait pas pourquoi. Il y a peut-être ça, hein. Merde. Ah bah non, j'ai pas l'impression qu'on puisse grimper sur les murs. Elle a bugué la kit ou quoi? Ah! Ça nous même de te casser. Bah tu transcendes ton destin. Qu'est-ce qu'il veut faire de toi après tout? Peut-être c'est le cas de Dotoré en fait. Hein. Peut-être qu'au fin de compte c'est juste une création de quelqu'un d'autre. Boom!
Gotta keep going.
T'es le goat! Oh là là. Il marche tel un guerrier. Oh là là. Ouf.
Ahead lies only
Aïe aïe aïe.
a stormless void.
Sur un vide sans histoire vous attend.
My consciousness is slipping away.
Voilà, ça, je pense que c'est à lui d'écrire sa propre histoire dès maintenant.
Keep going, Durin. A pure soul is your essence, not an empty void.
I feel so weak.
Aïe aïe aïe.
Stand tall, Durin. You are not some amorphous idea. The body I made for you is flesh and bone.
Oh les goats, les amis.
Am I truly
Oh,
alive?
mais oui.
Yes, Durin, but you must keep going. You're as alive and real as I am.
Putain, Albedo, hein, c'est vraiment le meilleur ami qu'on veut tout savoir. Hein. The goat.
I can't
Oh.
feel a connection.
Je ne sens plus qu'un lien.
You're not alone in this world, Durin. At the very least, you have me.
Reprenez votre vrai moi. Hein?
I can't remember
Ah merde.
anything. Who am I?
Your name is Durin, and there are many who still remember it.
My name is Durin.
You're taking too long.
De barre. Quel impatient lui.
Run!
Oh.
In this world, fate waits for no one.
Avec cours.
Wait! Where am I meant to go? What am I
Cours
supposed
tout droit.
to do?
Go. Make your wish come true, Durin.
Oh putain.
My
Wesh.
wish?
Oh. Ah, tu voulais un chemin qui te montre.
Story's not over yet.
Mais quel homme! Quel homme ce Heather! Ton histoire n'est pas finie. Voilà! Les cubes de Michelin. Oh!
Silence, huh? Have you nothing to say about
Oui,
my
c'est Annie.
proposal?
Vous répondez donc par du silence à ma proposition.
Let me get this straight. You want to graft your story onto this unfinished thread of fate, and in doing so, not only rewrite that fate, but allow the story to live on.
Tu veux greffer ton histoire sur ce fil inachevé du destin. Ce faisant, tu réécriras non seulement ce destin, mais cela permettra aussi à l'histoire de perdurer.
Quite the brilliant idea. Still, the story's survival depends entirely on whether the author keeps writing.
Tu m'étonnes. Putain, je les aime bien les Dodoko quand même. Hein.
Exactly. And the moment foretold by the prophecy is still centuries away.
I see. I thought my own ignorance might be the problem. That I'd asked more of the noble science of alchemy than it could ever deliver. Or that I had failed to discern the heavenly signs and grasp the secret truth underlying the prophecy. Little did I imagine that time itself would prove to be the greatest hurdle of all.
On l'a jamais vu, Anya, on est d'accord? Bah, ni de Barbelos d'ailleurs. Je crois que c'est les deux seuls qu'on n'a pas vu encore chez les sorties.
Well, my friend, this has been a most intriguing experiment. And from an academic perspective, at least, I don't think it was a bad proposal.
Someday, the prophecy will come to pass. So remember, my friend, much like the stars themselves, there will always be something that transcends the test of time.
Transcendra l'épreuve du temps.
Thank you, everyone. You've helped me so much already. But, Alice, I still have one final favor to ask of you. Will you lend me your magic one last time, just enough for me to keep his story alive until the prophecy is fulfilled?
You mean you want me to extend your lifespan?
Putain, elle a ça aussi. Non mais elle est trop forte. Elle a une magie pour prolonger la vie, une magie pour créer un monde. Non mais c'est qui elle? C'est Chronos, c'est ça?
No, not in that sense. As
C'est la
Rhine
première voyageuse de Teva?
governing life and death are among the most unyielding in this world.
Ah.
I'm well aware of that.
Ok.
Whether it lasts a day or an age, the span of one's life is determined by fate alone. If I tried to breach that law by force, I'm afraid I would lose what makes me human.
Elle est tellement pure, Anya.
This is not a path I want to go down. If I am to die, then I shall die a human.
Je veux mourir en tant qu'être humain.
So, what is it that you want me to do?
I would like you to send this pen of mine into the
Oh.
future.
I see. Then perhaps there really is a way I can help.
Envoyer ta plume dans le futur, mais t'as ça aussi. Non mais si, non mais c'est qui Alice? Non mais il faut quand même se le dire. Hein. Qui est cette Alice? C'est la première aventurière, la défenseuse de l'ancien Mondstadt. Mais genre elle a des pouvoirs surhumains, genre création de monde, prolongement de vie, propulser des objets 500 ans plus tard.
I could create a kind of story magic to take over the writing once you're gone.
De magie narrative.
Oh, but for it to work, you would need to provide enough of your own words for it to learn from.
How much?
Oh, an immense amount. So much, in fact, that you would have to spend the rest of your life writing. And even then, I'm sorry to say, it would not last forever. No matter how much you write, there is a limit to the number of words you can leave behind. But the world itself will never stop changing. Someday, perhaps, even your entire corpus will not be enough for the magic to continue describing this world. And when that happens, the story will end.
Still, it's worth a try.
Oh, du coup, elle a passé l'intégralité de la fin de son existence à écrire. Eh ben. Je voudrais que tu envoies ma plume dans le futur. Oh là là. Par contre, elle est morte en écrivant.
Oh my dear Anya. Even after all this time, you're still... Look at you. You should be enjoying your old age in peace and quiet. Especially now that things are
Ah, donc c'est
finally
après les
returning
500 ans,
to
ça.
normal after that terrible calamity.
Once he leaves Simulanka, things will only get more complicated. If his story is to continue, there needs to be more material for the magic to draw upon. I'll just have to skip over some of the less important details.
Anya, why do you insist on sending him out of the storybook world? Why must he face his fate into that? Why not just let him remain within the story? With my magic, even fate's curse could be undone and he could live happily ever after.
Grâce à ma magie, même la malédiction du destin pourrait être levée. Il pourrait vivre heureux pour toujours. Elle peut enlever les malédictions, donc est-ce qu'elle est capable de retirer la malédiction du Shades? La malédiction de l'immortalité.
In fairy tales, all it takes is a heartfelt wish. And even a wooden puppet can turn himself into a real boy and live happily ever after. That's just how fairy tales end, isn't it? But have you ever wondered what happens to the main character after the ever after?
T'es-tu déjà demandé ce qui arrive au personnage principal après la partie où il vécut heureux pour toujours? C'est vrai qu'à chaque fois ça se conclut toujours comme ça. Hein. Pas mal, pas mal. Il a intrigué tout le monde.
Tell me, Alice, in your eyes, what would be a writer's greatest regret?
De ne pas finir sa propre histoire.
To leave a story without an ending.
Not a bad answer. It's true.
Ah.
Many writers come to consider that their greatest regret. But I see things differently. My greatest regret is that every story I write has to come to an end in the first place.
Il doit forcément avoir une fin.
Anya.
Elle veut créer une histoire où il n'y a pas de fin, c'est ça?
No matter how brilliantly a character shines, the moment their story ends, their potential is lost forever. For them, the story itself becomes an inescapable fate. But what if, instead, I could place my pen in their hand and let them continue the story themselves?
You mean...
You said it yourself. I can only leave so many words behind. Even with your magic, the idea that I could keep the story going until the prophecy comes to pass is wishful thinking at best. But I found a way to use your magic to transform some of my finished stories into a special kind of ink.
Ok.
This ink is a magical medium he can use to complete the story the way he wants to.
C'est donc comme ça que le dernier vœu de la narratrice a été créé du coup.
For what is storytelling but another kind of magic? And if he can experience the whole tale himself while leaving behind his own wishes and aspirations, even once he reaches the chapter where I stopped, he'll still be able to carry the story forward.
Donc là on parle de la page blanche, I suppose.
And so, by leaving him this ink, I can entrust him with the responsibility of writing his own story.
C'est touchant quand même. Hein. Putain, que ferait une mère hein, pour son fils quand même.
A character with the power to write their own story.
That way, he'll finally be free from the cage that is my pen. And like anyone else living in the real world, he can go on to create a life of his own.
And you no longer need to worry about the constraints of my magic. What a brilliant idea, Anya. But there are still risks. First of all, once he arrives in Tevat, he'll have to rely entirely on the story you left him to maintain his connection to that world. As you gradually hand over creative control, that connection will grow weaker, and at some point, he might lose it altogether.
Ah, c'est exactement ce qui s'est passé, ça.
But at the same time, he'll also have the chance to forge that connection for himself.
The issue is, this method taps into too many of Tevat's core secrets. Any overt hints you try to leave will be erased in no time.
Cette méthode pise dans trop de secrets fondamentaux de Teva. Toute indication trop évidente que tu tenteras de laisser sera effacée en un rien de temps.
In fact, it'd be hard for you to leave anything at all to guide them.
We still have the story itself, though. I can use that to show them the way.
It's entirely possible he burns through all your ink, never reaches the chapter you had in mind, and gets stuck, roaming the chapters of his past. But despite all that, you...
Elle est déterminée.
I still believe in what this child can become. His hopes and wishes can be his ink, so he won't be trapped by mine running dry.
Oh, what the writer you are, Anya. Your imagination never ceases to amaze. And you do know how much I love a happy ending. You shall have my help, my dear.
Thank you, my friend. Well then, my child, do you understand what you must
Aw.
do?
Yes, I think it's my turn to keep this story alive.
Then what's holding you back?
What will become of you after I take up this pen?
Elle s'en ira. Avec cette musique triste. Non, ils veulent nous faire chialer, c'est trop.
I will fade away. There will no longer be a reason for me to go on existing.
Oh. Sortez
My
les mouchoirs.
child, I, or your mother, I should say, passed away long ago. The voice you're hearing is nothing but a magical echo that has now fulfilled its purpose. You needn't feel so reluctant to let me go.
Tu sais que... Pardon. Parfois, les personnages généralement les plus puissants, ils ont souvent tendance à faire en sorte de dire ne vous inquiétez pas, de toute façon, je remplis mon rôle, ou je suis mort il y avait longtemps, ceci n'est qu'un écho de moi-même. Alors qu'en réalité, si t'as passé de bons moments avec la personne, bah t'as passé des bons moments avec la personne. Donc bien que tu sois un fantôme, un écho, un ange, un démon ou je ne sais guère, bah tu restes quand même une personne avec qui on a eu des bonnes expériences. Cela ne se dissipe pas parce que tu es un écho.
I know my mother died long ago.
But...
It's just when you lose your mom too
Ah.
soon, it's hard to tear yourself away from the stories she used to read. I guess it's a silly way of pretending she's still here, by your side.
Oh.
Durin.
But after
You
coming
were
to this
shitty.
world and traveling it with my friends, facing all kinds of enemies together, I suddenly realized I couldn't just sit around listening to my mother's stories because I'd found a new purpose in life. Maybe this is just what growing up feels like. With all my new friends waiting, it's time I finally set aside my mother's storybook. I'm ready to grow up now, Mom.
Oh. Putain, et cette musique, hein. Oh. Oui.
Then take this. A gift I should have given you a long time ago.
Anya. Elle est vraiment incroyable comme sortie, hein. Tout ce qu'elle a fait.
You've witnessed this story from the very beginning. Made your wishes, offered your blessings, and even wrote your choices into its pages. From here on out, this pen is yours. Now I ask of you, the other pillar of this story, as both its reader and its witness. Will you turn the page so the next
Aw.
chapter can begin?
Tourner la page. Ouf. Oh, le flashback. Le flashbang.
Suddenly, and without warning, the powers of darkness struck.
Ah merde.
The question was, could the little dragon prevail? Alas, it was here that the story witch's tale had to end.
But Durin's tale, on the other hand,
Oh.
had only just begun.
Trop stylé.
Stepping into his mother's memories, he picked up her pen.
Il prit
And
sa
so the
plume.
story that was ending began anew. He had made up his mind to challenge the fate that barred the way ahead.
Oh,
Looks
très
like this is
stylé.
the final step.
Très très stylé. Ça c'est un cœur.
A
ça.
chance to strike back at fate? Now that's not
Du coup, on va
something that
affronter le
comes
dragon
knocking
maléfique là,
every
de
day.
ce que je viens de voir sur l'image. Ah, voilà. Oh, ça rappelle des souvenirs, hein. Ce petit dragon Sri Lanka là.
No, that fate no longer defines me.
Oh
In
là
the
là.
end, only my story shall endure.
Ok. Destin, résultat différent de je sais pas quoi. Oh, je sais vraiment pas le jeu. Oula, attention. Oh, il est horrible le sorcier.
My strength is far from spent. Turning point in fate. Leave
Oh là
it
là,
to
oh là
me.
là. Il. Ok, on peut attaquer.
Thunder.
Ah, je croyais qu'on pouvait le renvoyer. Oula, il se passe quoi?
Dodging this one.
Ok.
Here, I'll help lift you up.
C'est Venti, ça, c'est pas Scaramouche. Ok. Ah. La plume.
Only my story shall endure.
Ah d'accord, c'est comme ça qu'on lui met des dégâts. Apprécié.
Turning point in fate.
Bon, le plus chiant, moi, je trouve, c'est le violet. Ah, il est fort son passif. Hein. Son passif à la Maurika. Hein. Oula.
Leave it to me.
Ok, easy win. Ça, c'est la même attaque que Sri Lanka, c'est insane.
Looks like there's nowhere to hide.
Ok,
Here,
Albedo.
I'll cover for you.
Oh, stylé son bouclier. Ah. Ok.
This time, the light prevails.
Boum. Oh, le cœur il est magnifique par contre. Hein. Waouh. D'une beauté.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh. J'en connais un qui a chialé sur cette phrase. Ah, je
And
suppose.
so it was that Durin defeated the darkness and rewrote his fate.
Ah oui, du coup voilà, il a un reskin.
But his story is far from over.
Loin d'être terminé. Ah, peut-être une partie 2. Ouf. Mais son histoire était loin d'être terminée.
Is everyone okay?
Ah oui, regardez son skin. Son cœur, il a changé. Oh, c'est stylé.
We're fine, thanks. And hey, we all saw how you fought back there.
C'est une nouvelle tenue. Elle respire un peu plus la liberté.
I have to admit, I do feel
Oh là
like
là.
something in me has changed.
C'est le goat.
I owe you all so much. Without your help, I don't know if I could have ever made it this far.
Just a shame I could only help out from the sidelines. Like I said before, it's not every day that you get to put fate in its place.
Toi qui veux battre Dotoré.
Well, I'm sure you'll hear
Ah.
it someday.
Hear what?
The chance to strike back at fate knocking at your door.
Yeah.
Ah, ça
maybe
serait
someday.
c'est extrêmement marrant s'il met un coup de pied à Dottore
Allow me to just check one thing.
pour cette phrase. On fera lever de côte.
Yes. The abyssal power within you has stabilized again. And those strange symptoms you were experiencing seem to
tout le
have
monde se
completely
rappelle de lui.
disappeared.
Thank goodness!
Nous y sommes arrivés. Après, c'est vrai que techniquement, si Durin avait véritablement disparu, la seule personne qui se rappellerait qui c'est lui.
I wonder what it means, though. Aside from the principles of alchemy, what other law of this world governs his being?
Look, it all turned out fine. So just
C'est vrai
leave
que
it
oui.
at that. Now that this one's out of danger, it's time for me to get out of here.
C'est vrai que hormis l'alchimie, quels autres lois fondamentaux peuvent être en compte, enfreindre les règles de Teva? Ça, je pense que c'est bon à savoir parce que si tu y arrives, tu peux vraiment comprendre les règles de Célestia. Parce que rappelez-vous, hein, Ronova avait dit qu'il est temps qu'on intervienne, et cela selon les règles que nous pouvons... les règles dont nous disposons, quoi, en quelque sorte. Donc c'est-à-dire que ouais, même les Shades n'ont pas tous les droits. Vraiment que fenesque.
You're leaving so soon? Well, don't humans usually throw a party after something like this?
I'm not something like this.
A party? Do I look like that kind of guy?
Oh là là, quel rabat-joie.
Anyway, come find me again next time you're in trouble. That's what friends are for, right?
Certaines personnes ne changeront jamais.
In a way, though, he is right. This is Durin's moment to celebrate, not the time for academic discussions.
Ce n'est pas le moment pour des discussions académiques.
Hey, I don't blame you for asking. And honestly, I'd be perfectly happy to talk about it. It's just, I wouldn't even know where to start.
It's all right. I'm sure we'll get a chance at some point. After all, your story's only just begun. All right then. Traveler and Paimon, we'll part ways here. Given the extraordinary nature of the things we witnessed today, I need to make sure it's all recorded properly.
Je sais que tu t'accordes en conscience.
So, it's part
1 heure déjà de VOD. Ah merde. Ah bah tiens, bah oui, on a fini, donc du coup Alice nous parle.
Congratulations on completing your mission. Now then, as per our agreement, it's about time you returned that.
Ah oui, elle veut le lire.
She must have known the moment we finished. Just like she said she would.
I've heard dressing appropriately is
Oh,
a
bonne nouvelle
must for
tenue.
socializing.
Tenez débloqué pour Durin. Rendre le livre à Alice. Elle est où? Ah bah oui, elle a le truc de théière. Tac. Tac. Merde. Oh. Un jour, je ferai les boss hebdo. La goat.
Oh, my writer and witness. It's been quite the journey, hasn't it?
C'est moi qu'il y ait 7 chaises. Parce que si on compte bien du coup, t'as Alice, Barbalos, Reindotter, Anya. Bon, ils sont pas dans le même ordre, mais... Nicole, Octavia, et je sais plus. Je sais plus qui est la dernière personne.
Special plans for the traveler from the start, didn't you?
Ah!
But of course, that goes without saying. For a story to live on, it needs both a writer and a reader. Only then can my magic take effect. I chose the Traveler as the witness because of the special nature of who
Vas-y, dis-nous en
he
plus.
is. It's not easy finding someone with that kind of background, you know. For a moment, I even considered taking the role myself.
Vous étiez la seule à comprendre la situation. Non, je suis sûr qu'elle a les mêmes pouvoirs que Heather.
At least it made for an interesting story.
Aïe aïe
right?
aïe.
Huh? What are you doing here, Tone Deaf Bard?
Bard de Pacotille.
With the Hexenzirkel carrying out such a risky experiment in Mondstadt, it didn't cross your minds that the Animo Archon might be slightly curious?
Sorry for the trouble, Lord Barbados.
Think nothing of it. I dare say the Animo Archon quite enjoyed coming along for the ride. Now then, as agreed, let us see the fruits of your labor.
Here, please take a look.
Take a look.
Well. Somehow, despite all my careful planning, it still turned out to be full of surprises. It never even crossed my mind that Rhindotter's child would be capable of handling that kind of alchemy in her stead. When he asked for help with the materials, oh my, I nearly couldn't believe it. If only the others were here too, we could all
Aw.
celebrate together.
I'm right here, you
Oh,
know.
attends.
The only one who
oui,
hasn't
d'accord.
responded is the one busy
À
stuffing
se
her
gaver.
face over there.
Is that
Barbie.
you, Barbie? A little late to the party, don't you think?
Come here, child. Let me take a closer look at you.
All right, Aunt Seer Witch.
Putain de sorcière.
Here I am.
Just as I thought. This child's fate does not appear among the stars. Anya has accomplished
Ouais,
what
voilà,
others
elle a un
no
truc avec
one
le
before
cosmos.
her could.
Anya accomplit ce que presque personne avant elle n'avait réussi à faire. Ah, presque personne. C'est-à-dire qu'il y a quand même quelqu'un avant. Hein.
What does that mean?
Child, all you need to know is that you're very
Oh, attends.
lucky indeed.
C'est intéressant. Le destin de cet enfant n'a pas... Anya a accompli ce que presque personne avant elle n'avait réussi à faire. Quelqu'un a réussi à changer le destin d'une autre personne. Ok, je vais prendre mon screenshot, ça c'est intéressant. Bon alors qui idée. Je dirais que c'est Heather. Voilà, tout ce qui est bizarre, c'est Heather.
Oh,
Et donc, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? La tasse de thé ne fait plus aucun bruit. Peut-être que les pensées de la sorcière ont déjà dérivé ailleurs.
Just like how she was in the story, huh?
Tell me, little Durin, what will you do next? I, for one, cannot wait to see how your story unfolds.
well, there's so much I want to do. I'm not even sure where to begin.
How about settling your most recent regret?
Dvaline. Ah.
Not so fast, Tone Deaf Bard. What exactly did you just tell Durin to do? To make a long overdue wish come true.
Et est-ce que Alice sait que Velty a également un fragment du pouvoir de Istaros?
Thank you once again, Alice.
Oh.
How much time do you have left?
I believe these should be my final moments.
Oh.
Just enough time to say goodbye to my dearest friend.
This feels like having to say our final goodbyes all over again. I don't like it. Not one bit.
I don't know how to respond to that. Strange. You were always such a cheerful figure in my stories. I even dubbed you the Merry Witch, you know.
Elle est toujours joyeuse aussi. Hein.
Oh, please. You know full well it was your stories that first taught me what true pain and sadness felt like. Aside from saying goodbye to me, shouldn't you also leave a few words for the child? Since the book will be his to continue, why don't you write him a little parting note?
Oh.
There's no need. His mother already did that long, long ago. All that remains is for me to convey it.
Oh. Oh, elle ressemble à ça.
My child, these may be the last words I get to leave you.
Elle est trop bonne sur les cheveux.
I've always thought of the characters in my stories as my children, loving each one of them, just like a mother would. But you are the most extraordinary of them all. You alone can defy the fate of this world and write the perfect ending to my story. You alone shall leave these pages for a future I will not see. Still I say to you, fly, my sweet child. Just like a forest breeze yearns for the open sky, head into the unknown and seek an adventure to call your own. If you meet a dragon bright as 1,000 jewels, dance through the air together. You are not alone, for this world has accepted your place in it. Do not lose heart. You still have many wishes left to fulfill. A long tale awaits you, my love. Let songs and flowers be the ink that fills its pages. Take my pen and use it to continue your story.
Avec Dvalin en plus maintenant, ça y est. Incroyable. D'accord, et ben donc, ça c'est vraiment fini sur l'émotion. Hein? C'est une mission inattendue, c'est quoi cette merde? Oh putain. Je trouve que ça va être un truc gaze as fuck. Ah bah oui, elle est là du coup, Alice. Alors, qu'est-ce que t'as à nous dire, Micheline?
There you go! Your very own copy of the book. We wouldn't want one of the story's key witnesses to leave empty-handed now, would we? Of course, this copy isn't magical in the same
Ah
way.
oui, d'accord, elle nous a fait une copie du livre.
All the twists and turns are still there.
Nice. Et Venti alors.
And so they flew together, Durin and Dvalin, over the skies of Mondstadt.
C'est vrai que pour le truc qui est vraiment où c'est un 20 sur 20 la quête, genre c'est vraiment là, je sais pas, tu parles à Venti, t'as une petite cinématique où là tu les vois voler les dés et au-dessus il y a Célestia. Oh, pour leur dire un gros fuck.
Who'd have thought such words could ever have described a happy ending, huh?
Ok, ok. C'est quoi ça? Youp. Tac. Ah oui, je n'ai pas clip pour faire une photo avec Alisson. En tout cas, c'était très cool. Vraiment sympa, en plus ça durait vraiment longtemps. Bah juste là, vraiment, là on a quasi 1h20. Les autres quêtes, on était à entre 25 et 40 minutes. Donc ouais, c'est un bon 4-5 heures. Hein. C'est cool. Yep. En tout cas, moi j'ai vraiment adoré. Vraiment, t'as eu l'aspect de beaucoup de choses. T'as un peu plus d'informations sur les sorcières. Et non mais Alice aussi, hein, faut vraiment s'en rendre compte. Non mais Alice, non mais vraiment, Alice ne sera pas jouable à Nutcracker. Genre, je trouverais ça scandaleux qu'elle soit jouable. Elle a le pouvoir de longévité, de créer un monde, d'envoyer des objets dans le futur. Et j'en passe. Genre, c'est tous les trucs qu'une Shades peut avoir. À Snezhnaya, je peux comprendre qu'elle le soit disponible, mais alors à notre Cry, ça ne m'étonnerait. Hein. Les seules façons où pour moi qu'elle le soit disponible, c'est qu'il y ait genre une Shades qui apparaisse pour punir notre Cry de tout ce qui se passe à cause de Dottore. Et que Alice, elle... bah du coup elle les affronte avec son pouvoir. Même si ça m'étonnerait parce que je pense que c'est l'une des c'est la protectrice des frontières de Teva, donc si elle est plus là, il y a l'Abysse. Littéralement qui envahit. Donc ouais. Franchement à voir. Hein. Bah déjà de toute façon on aura Nicole, c'est un peu la disciple de Alice. Mais ouais je pense que c'est la première personne de Teva. Première aventureuse de T20, Alice. Je pense qu'elle a dû connaître Koitar aussi, la première création de la première personne créée quoi. Telle une Eve. Hein? Comment ça? Oh mais niquez-vous. Ah, pas dans le but nous. Hein. Ok. Ouais, j'espère que t'as plu YouTube. J'espère bien dire en commentaire ce que tu en as pensé. Et puis voilà. Des bisous.